pals, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this I-cord bind off without using DP ends. If you don't know what DP are, they are double pointed needles. So that doesn't help when the double point is in the thing, but they're pointy on both sides. And I'm absolutely terrible and uncoordinated with them. They're incredible tools, and the people that use them look like magicians and wizards, but like, my hands just do not function. So, my friend Autumn, who makes the Cordsmiths, these tools, she told me that you could bind off sweaters with these and make an I-cord bind off without having to use DP. So I, of course, don't look up a tutorial and I just wing it. I think there's a couple on Instagram though. So if you need like a shorter form one, I've got a short form one, and I think there's like a couple on Autumn's page, which is Size Inclusive Collective. And but yeah, this one kind of goes into how to start it, how to work the whole thing, and then how to attach it back to the beginning so you don't have a big gap. But yeah, so today's my birthday, if you didn't know, so I wanted to celebrate and do a new tutorial. But yeah, this is actually on my birthday sweater. I haven't weaved in the ends, okay? My birthday is technically not for like 2 more days, so I have 2 days to weave in the ends, but I'm recording this for my birthday. But this I-cord is on the sleeves of my sweater. So if you want to see what the sweater looks like, go over to my Instagram or my blog. I have a whole post about it. But yeah, so grab your Cordsmith, grab your yarn, grab your project, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we've got to the end of the sweater sleeve to where we want to put on our round of I-cord. So grab your Cordsmith, and this is how you're going to start it. So if you're using the same, like your working yarn, just grab your working yarn. If you're changing colors, do that. And then you're going to work from right to left. So on your furthest, the right hook, you're going to put the first stitch. On the middle hook, you're going to put the second. And on the outside, the left hook, you're going to put the third. And then make sure all your latches are down. Yarn over. There we go. And pull through. Sorry, I was making sure that I grabbed the right stitches there when I pulled through. And now to keep going, it's pretty easy. You're just going to work all the way around, and it's going to be the same thing. So you're going to insert this left, your furthest hook, into the stitch. So you'll have 2 stitches on the left hook, and then 1 in the middle and 1 on the right. And then I'll get this out of the way. I use a magic loop when I do sleeves, so I have a really long cable. And then you just yarn over and you pull through all of them. And then you grab the next stitch, yarn over, pull through all of them. And make sure you're not yarning over too tight, because it'll be a little bit like it was just there. It'll be a little tougher to pull the stitches off. And then the other little trick that I recommend, so my sleeve is huge, so I'm just doing the regular I-cord with no extra stitches all the way around to make it small. If you want to keep your sleeve the right size, like the same size, I recommend yarning over and doing some stitches in between. So I didn't pick up this stitch here, so I'll just yarn over and pull through, and that'll give me an extra stitch in between. So you might want to add 1, you might want to add 3. Just test out your gauge first. Make your own I-cord with a Cordsmith, see what your gauge looks like, and then you should be able to adjust it from there. This just makes it a little bit tighter. Sorry, I-cord's got the zoomies. It makes it a little bit tighter of stitches. So I'm just going to keep going and show you a couple more of these. All right, and so this is what it starts to look like. And then we're gonna go all the way around, and then I'll show you how to attach it to the first part so you know how to bind it off. Okay, so we've got all of our cord on our sleeve, and we are back to the beginning of the round. So to join these together, take your left hook again and go into that first stitch, yarn over, yarn over, and pull through. And that joins your I-cord together. Now to finish this, you're just gonna, let me grab my scissors and my needle real quick. Just gonna cut your working yarn, weave it into your tapestry needle, and then I work from right to left. So I go into the first stitch, into the second stitch, which always tends to be the tightest one, and then into the third stitch, and then just slide it off your Cordsmith, cinch this down, and then I have to tighten these rows a little bit, and then weave in your ends. I'm not gonna finish weaving these ends because I don't weave until I blocked already. So ignore those and all of these because I haven't blocked it yet. But that is how you do an I-cord bind off on something in the round, I guess. I mean, you don't have to do the joined round if it's flat. It'll still work the same way. This is just in the round as well. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!